Yeah, I love opening these things up. Kind of shows you the quality that comes out of some of the stuff that we get from China. We have all these screws, a lot of garbage. Got this converter here. Let's see how this works, or what's inside, I should say. There you go. So, got some garbage, some wire, and some low from what I see. So nothing to write home about. RF converters, nothing special. Yeah, just very simple capacitors. They're nice, what do you want to call it, a not capacitor, but transformer here. I know some of you guys open them up, so there's that. So we got a Nintendo Wii charger base from Nyko. So nothing too special here. Let's see if there's anything inside. I'm guessing it's going to be like that console. Yeah, there's almost nothing in here. Some cables, and that's about it. Some low-grade board. Nothing to write home about, that's for sure. Let's open it up for good, see exactly what's inside.